My husband is making lasagna tonight. We are making easy lasagna. So we've got the noodles that he's getting ready to cook. He made his own pasta sauce, but to make it super easy, if you don't like making your own pasta sauce, just use whatever jarred pasta sauce you love. And then we got 1 pound ground beef. Robert is dicing up a small onion. And how many cloves of garlic did you use?
One. Well, yeah, 1 clove because it was big enough. 1
big clove of garlic, and he's going to saute that with the ground beef as he cooks it. These are the cheeses we're using for this lasagna. It is 3 cups of mozzarella, 1/2 cup of Parmesan, and 1/2 cup of Romano. A lot of lasagna recipes have ricotta in it. Neither of us are a huge fan. This is a recipe that Robert's mother always used to make when he was younger, and we're sticking with that. And his dad did not like ricotta either. That's why it's just going to be mozzarella and the shredded Parmesan and Romano. We are cooking 9 of the noodles. The box has like 18, so it's like enough for like 2 lasagnas. We are cooking our noodles. There are some lasagna recipes where people don't cook the noodles. We are cooking the noodles. The meat was cooked all the way, so now Robert is adding the spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce. And the noodles only need a couple more minutes. The noodles are ready. We sprayed the glass dish and put 3 noodles down. And then what, you're gonna do meat and then cheese?
Yep. Divvy it up into like thirds.
Thirds, because you know you're doing 3 layers.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
It's kind of like, if you use less, that's fine. You just don't want to go crazy.
Just a general idea of how much you want.
Yeah.
Looks good.
All right, so now we're gonna put the sprinkled cheese.
The sprinkled cheese.
I'm gonna put 1/3 of that on.
Okay.
Which is hard to tell because, yeah, really gotta guess on this. And 1/3 of this.
If you use your hands, I don't mind.
Okay.
Whatever. It's just me and you. I know a lot of people watching, you know.
Yeah, I'm just not.
You know, that grosses them out, but they're not eating it, so it's okay. If we had guests over, he'd be wearing gloves.
Yeah. But this is just how I am.
All right.
A little bit more. She used to do it where you almost didn't see the meat.
Yeah.
Which I remember. Okay.
All right. Now you do, here's your noodles right here. Another layer of noodles.
Yep.
All right. And we do this 3
the
layers.
weirdest looking thing. These noodles are so peculiar.
They are.
I don't know why I'm so weirded out by them.
You are.
Okay.
Robert made his own pasta sauce. So for measurement reference, that would have been 4 cups. So if you were buying store-bought pasta sauce, it would be like 2 jars because a typical jar is 2 cups. So yeah, 4 cups of the pasta. I cut myself off a couple seconds ago. 4 cups of pasta sauce. And now this is the final layer. We're gonna bake it in the oven at 30 minutes at 400 degrees. We are not covering it with aluminum foil. We want it to get nice and toasty, golden brown on the top. 30 minutes later. If you don't like it dark like this, just cover it with aluminum foil. We like it dark like this. All right, quick taste test. That's good lasagna. I think the mozzarella is just as good as the ricotta. I don't miss it at all. It's really good.